Prepositions following verbs. Some verbs are followed by a certain preposition. Sometimes one verb can be followed by different prepositions, giving another meaning. Enjoy our quiz and try to memorize the phrases themselves. Let's do it. I like to add some milk blank my coffee. My father likes to listen blank old songs. I always borrow books blank the nearby library. Jack applied blank the job as a part-time teacher. It's not polite to stare blank people. They agreed blank meeting next Friday. The young man saved her blank a certain accident. You should apologize blank her right now. My mother suffers blank a severe headache. The ad you saw is aimed blank young girls. Please pray blank me to get the new job. My parents congratulated her blank her success. Sure, you can rely blank me. That girl smiled blank you. Do you know her? Would you please pay attention blank what I'm saying?